Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today Stella is back. She's
Yes.
at my home. We're doing a very fun video. I'll try to speak some Swahili. Swahili.
Yeah.
And
yeah.
I'll read. It'll be crazy, like I don't even know. But before that, I want to say thank you guys for supporting Stella. She's almost at 10K.
Yeah.
Let's continue with that.
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you.
So I hope you guys enjoyed the video of Masai Mara. I hope you guys enjoyed all the videos. More are coming. And again, I want to say, guys, thanks so much for donating to the drought cause in Northeastern Kenya. Please continue. I'll post the GoFundMe and the Mpesa number in the description box. Donate whatever you can. Anything helps. So yeah.
Yeah.
So should I
So
Should I
right
start?
now, right now we have some Swahili words in this.
But
book.
before that, wait a minute. Before that, karibu kwenye channel yangu.
Wow.
Hey, let's go.
Kwa
What?
majina.
Kwa majina naitwa Marian.
Hey, nice.
Mimi Marekano iki Somali.
Guys, she's trying to say she's a Somali American.
Yeah.
So you say mimi ni Msomali wa American, wa Marekani.
Mimi na wa Somali
Wa Marekani.
wa Marekani.
Yeah, nice. So let's get into this. We have first words.
But you know, I know how to say like habari, nzuri sana.
Okay, first say the Swahili that you know.
The Swahili I
Yeah.
know. Okay. Habari sana,
Wow.
mzuri.
Habari yako.
Habari yako mzuri sana.
Yeah, she's trying to say,
Yeah.
how are you? I'm good.
Yeah.
Another.
Kufungulia.
Open the door. Yeah, nice.
Sasa
Uh-huh.
po sana.
How are you? I'm good.
Skiza.
Listen.
Oya.
Oh yeah, it's the
The
one
tattoo
is-
guys.
Yeah, by my
Oh, yeah,
tattoo guys to welcome like the customers.
Yeah. And I know tuende chakula.
Let's go for the food. Nice.
Hey.
That's amazing.
I know, and some few good ones, you know.
Yeah,
And
yeah. Uh-huh.
Ingabi.
Huh?
Ingabi.
No, it's supposed to be Ningapi. Like how
Ningabi.
much?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah, like Swahili Ningapi.
Ningapi.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know that one because I'm always asking.
Oh,
And then when they say, you know, like a lot of price, I always start from mia moja.
Mia moja is like
100.
$1 in
Yeah,
Kenya.
100 K shilling.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, so there's some things in my head they'll
Yeah,
pop up as we go.
True. So another word, first word we have Nini.
Wait,
Oh,
I'm
you're
supposed
the
to.
one saying Swahili.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
So nini kikusikitashacho.
This one was
What the hell? This is fake. This is not Swahili.
It's true.
Nini kikusikitashacho. No.
Like, what makes you unhappy? That's it.
Okay, wait a minute. Let me try
Okay,
again.
try.
Nini kikusikitishacho.
Nice.
Hey.
Right. Yeah, right. Next one.
Hii menda.
Like, this is gone.
Did I say right?
Yeah, you said right.
Mapena ndio basta.
No, you have to repeat that one.
Mapena
No.
mpena saidia.
She's trying to say help. It's mapema and your best.
Mapema ndio pesa.
The early the better.
Okay.
Nice, you see? Let's go.
Nikupaya.
It's bad. It's
Okay,
bad. It's
okay.
bad. Wow, you know them.
Aki huwa una pimpamba.
No. The last one is not it. Pardon the last one.
Aki huwa una Unambamba.
Unanibamba.
Unanibamba.
Like,
bamba.
Yeah,
Bamba.
like he makes me happy.
Okay,
Yeah.
Makes
She
me
is
happy.
pretty.
Whoa. This is
You.
getting personal. Wait, let me. Mimi nikupenda.
Oh, she's saying
We
she
don't know.
loves
You.
Yeah, she
You over
loves
there.
you.
You watching.
you watching.
Niko chonjo.
Wow.
See.
Yeah, that's nice. I'm ready.
How do you say good?
Prepared. Sawa.
Sawa. I did good.
Sawa.
Uko wapi? Uko wapi nikuje?
Yeah, where are you? I need
Yeah,
to
where
come.
are you guys?
Yeah,
Come on.
you. Ask them.
Uko wapi?
Huh? Ask them.
Uko wapi nikuje?
Where are you? She needs to come.
You know what I'm
Where are
saying?
you guys? She needs to come.
Kiwike ikue. What the hell?
Something like that in this book. I've written the words. I know.
This one is
Pardon, this one.
oh, nakuja uko wapi?
Yes, I'm coming. Where are you?
Nakuja uko wapi? Come on guys, please give me time. I'm coming.
The location.
I'm coming. Send me the
Okay.
location.
Hey, that's nice.
Okay.
Mhm.
Kuiku.
Wanna be this girl now?
Guys,
What is that?
I swear
Hey.
to God, she's writing fake Swahili.
Eh? What is this?
Wiko
Ay.
wiki.
No, guys, that's not true. She
How you
should
say?
read it again.
How you say?
Kui. Like you cry the sound that you remove. Kui.
Oh.
Kui. That's it.
That's it?
Yeah.
That's not a word. Is it a word?
It's a word. Kui.
Quick. Quick.
Yeah, like that.
Okay. Wow. Guys, I think this word is fake. Please tell in the
It's
comments.
not fake. It's like you are crying. Kui.
Okay.
Yeah, the sound.
Kuna tu alisema afadhali asikize tumbo kuliko kusikiza hii ngoma.
No, guys.
That's a long sentence.
Pardon the whole sentence. We are not hearing.
Again.
Chaos now.
Kuna tu alisema afadhali asikize tumbo
Yeah.
kuliko kusikiza hii ngoma.
Nice.
Hey. Yeah,
Like,
me speak Swahili.
it means it's better I listen to my stomach rather than listening to bad music.
Exactly.
No.
Get out of here. Bad music, no. Stomach, yes. So you read it.
Kuna mtu alisema afadhali asikize tumbo kuliko kusikiza hii ngoma.
Kuna tu alisema afadhali asikize tumbo kuliko kusikiza ngoma.
Nice. You're learning Swahili. Yeah, you see? She's nice.
Hey
Wow.
guys, I'm dying.
Really?
This girl is killing me. Hey, wewe.
Like you.
Wewe mbona unachipa hero?
No.
Wewe mbona unachimpa hero?
Unanichapa hivyo.
Unanichapa hero.
Hivyo. Why are you fighting me like that? What it means?
Wewe mbona unachapa hivyo? Unachapa hivyo.
Stop. Hey, where you are? I refuse. Hey.
Maisha ni kujaribu.
Yeah, life is trying. You see?
Guys.
Yeah, you are getting it.
Yeah, maisha ni kujaribu. Okay?
Try.
Don't worry. Hakuna matata.
Like no problems. Nice.
Hakuna matata.
Where did you learn that
Maisha
one
ni
from?
kujaribu.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Guys, this girl. Oh, I beg. Guys.
So guys, I started learning Swahili, but this is reading Swahili is funny, you know.
Yeah.
It just okay. Me, is this M?
Yeah.
Mimi. Oh, this
Hey.
one is easy.
Yeah.
Mimi nakupenda sana.
She even drew the book like she know how to
Come on,
pronounce
this
the
one
word.
is easy.
She knows.
This
Yeah.
one is easy.
Say it again. Tell them.
Mimi nakupenda sana.
Where?
Mimi nakupenda kuchumbari.
Hey, it's going down. Like you said, she loves you. She loves kachumbari. What else do you love? Wewe napenda.
Mimi nakupenda music. Mimi nakupenda culture. Mimi nakupenda Africa.
Wow,
Yeah.
amazing. That's really perfect.
The
last one
music,
you have
the
done
music
perfect.
needs me. I don't need the music. You feel me? You feel me?
How was the Swahili?
Okay, this was really fun.
You really enjoyed?
I really enjoyed.
Mm-hmm.
This, you know, Stella came up to me and because she see me like speaking few words here and there
She's
inside the.
struggling with Swahili. Why?
So I'll say out of the blue, I'll just say one word and she'll just laugh.
But you have just said it nice.
Yeah.
Like if you could lose, you could miss it like some few words.
Yeah,
Mm.
I know.
Yeah, that's nice.
The
You
first.
see, American can speak Swahili, but hey, the tone is.
Guys,
nowhere
we're
to
switching
be
now.
found.
She's gonna speak like American. You know what I'm saying? She's
I
gonna.
cannot.
Let's go.
Woo.
So this is what you're gonna say.
Uh-huh.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Stella. You know what I'm saying? I'm from Boston.
Hey.
And yeah, I really want to thank you guys, you know, for supporting me, for being there for me, you know.
Why is there bird? I'm not understanding. Then you need to be like bird.
This
bird,
is
bird.
the hood one. This is how, you know what I'm saying? This is the hood, you
Hey,
know.
you know what I'm saying? You don't even finish the words, you guys. Like,
I'll
know
just
what I'm
play with
saying?
you. I just play with you. But
yeah.
okay, you could just say, hey guys, my name is Stella. I'm from Boston.
Hey.
And thank you guys for supporting me, you know.
Ooh.
Like I
Bird.
really appreciate
Bird.
all that you guys have been doing for my channel, you know. Go for it.
Here, girls. Oh no.
Hey girls.
My tongue will get away. And- hi, girls. Oh, ooh, I
Hey
cannot.
guys.
Hi, girls. Welcome back to my YouTube channel.
Hey.
How do you pronounce guys?
Hey
Like,
guys.
You
Just
talk with your
guys.
nose.
Yeah.
Hi,
So just hey guys.
hi.
Welcome back to my channel.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel.
Yeah.
Ish.
My name is Stella.
My name is Stella and I love water. Like that's the one like
You
need
love
say,
water.
Like water instead
Aye.
of water.
Water.
Kenya we say water. You guys you are water.
Water.
Bring that here.
Wait. Do what the girl was doing when we went to Masai Mara.
Oh, let
We
me
had a
share.
receptionist girl named Brighty.
Yeah,
She was in the video.
She was like
The way she started.
the English now. Hi guys, I wanna welcome you back again to this hotel. My name is Brittany or Brittany.
Brighty.
Yeah. And like, oh, so this is the reception, and this is the career shop, and that is the restaurant where you can go and get your coffee. I'm like, girl, that English is too much. We're not
We
understanding.
can do the Kenyan way. Hello
Kenyans, we just
guys.
say hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and we are.
Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe.
No, it's not forget. You are putting American in it. Don't forget.
Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hey guys, you know more things are coming this way. You know, I want you guys to support me. This channel is growing. You know, yeah.
This channel, that one is American.
This
channel.
channel- this
How
chan-
is this channel?
This channel is growing super fast.
Inakimbia sana, inaenda mbio.
Yeah, sawa
Say,
sawa.
say it.
Imbia kisana.
We are done with this video. Ati inafanya nini? Inakimbia sana.
Inakimbia sana.
Inaenda mbio.
Inabenda bindio.
Which guy? What
Hey.
Who brought you in Nairobi?
Listen.
Like what is that?
I just landed. My visa is expired. I have to get a new visa. I forgot. So
You man. Uh-huh.
so guys, this was just we're just having
to
a good
speak
time,
Swahili.
and again, thanks for supporting me, supporting Stella, and guys, I signed up for online class actually for Swahili.
Wow, Swahili.
Yeah,
Nice,
I've been postponing. My teacher, she's like always emailing me like, hey, and I'm telling, hey, I'm in Masai Mara. Hey, I'm in Yabahanzi. I'm busy. I'm running. I'm sleeping. But inshallah, I'm definitely gonna start my classes very soon. She's really cool. Once I check her out, I'll share her information with you guys. So anybody who wants to learn Swahili can learn Swahili with her.
Yeah.
So yeah, this was just a fun video. You guys always watching travel and things like that. Today is a lazy day.
Yes.
Because we have a lot of content we want to share, so we just wanted to create something fun. And again, thanks for supporting Stella.
Thank you
for
so
supporting
much,
me.
guys.
And please, let's get her to 10K, and
Yeah.
let's get me to 250 very soon.
True.
Again, thank you guys for sharing and donating for the drought cause. Please, there's an Mpesa number. Anything, 100 shilling, 200 shilling, whatever you want to share. Anything helps at this point. Thank you guys, and that's it. Anything else you want to say?
I want to say thank you guys for the support. You all coming from Geenyada. Oh, thank you so much. I can't take it for granted. Continue supporting me. Continue watching me. More content is coming with or without Geenyada.
Yes.
Make sure you watch. Make sure you subscribe. Tell your friend to tell another friend.
Yes.
Okay. Subscribe to my channel, Stella Munyiva, and to our channel as well. Let's get her to 300K.
All right, guys, let's get her to 10K.
Yeah, that's the
She's like my
goal.
little sister.
Yeah, of
so
course.
I'm happy to help her, and
Yeah.
please, let's do that. Once she sees some money coming in, she'll be motivated. So keep pushing,
yeah.
guys.
And
Keep
watch
pushing.
the ads
Yeah.
for both of us.
Ads.
Yeah.
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 Ads. Ads. That's the combo. They
The H.
they have a problem with the
H
H.
and H.
Yeah.
Where there is A, we put H. And the
Kikuyus have problem with the
L
R.
and R.
Okay.
Yeah, just
we're
being
not
funny.
we're not gonna come at the tribes, all right?
Yeah,
It's just
yeah.
all jokes. Again, much love. Thank you guys so much. See you soon with another video. Bye.
Bye.